Doesn't need to be exact, just close to it. One done. 1. 2. So how much space do I need between shelves? If it's sitting on the shelf, I need to be able to pull it out. So I basically need at least corner to corner. So let's say there. How much a distance is that from bottom of shelf to bottom of shelf? Right, 5 inches. Oh, that'll work. And so does that give me enough space for that thin strip to be there? So if that's on there, that strip is there. No, there's no way I could get that out with that strip there. Oh wait, we're not that way. There we go. Of that space. Yeah, I can. Do I want more space though? I need to bring it up by 5.5, not by 5. 5.5, not 5. So those ones get all the way across, and all the way across. Make sure we remove the right sections. Let's see how that looks. Yeah. Just like it's supposed to, but not deep enough. there, and right there. That deep. Test. Yeah, halfway. I like it. If she fits. Just like that. Sliding dovetail. Whack, 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 whack. This. Wipe it into the bench, just like it's a finish. It's just. And homemade boiled linseed oil. That way we can still get in there. Table blend. Thyme, turmeric, and 1 extra bottle. So there you have it, a spice rack. A really simple, rather easy project. I thought about doing plans on this one, but I decided not to because everyone's spice bottles are a little bit different, and shaping and fitting in there is something to be very specific. Just measure the size of your bottle and multiply it by how many you want wide, and then give yourself enough slot and a little bit of slop in there so you can pull it out, and you've got a spice rack. It doesn't have to be anything special, and it can be a lot of fun. It's a great way to use up a lot of extra scrap in the shop and just use whatever you have on hand, have a little bit of fun with the weekend, and make something that is specific to you and how you work. So I hope you like this project. If you have any other thoughts or ideas, things I could have done differently, there are lots of different ways I could mount this to the wall, lots of ways I could build it. If you have any good suggestions for that, throw those in the comments down below. That does actually help out the channel, so thank you for that. As well as hitting like, share, subscribe, comment. Those things do help us. They help us get in front of more people, they help the algorithm here, and it really does mean a lot, so thank you for that. If you are one of those people who want to take it one step farther and do a little bit more for the channel, we do have patrons on Patreon. All those names are scrolling over here. They are the supporters here on YouTube. Without patrons or members, we wouldn't be here. We are completely sponsored by you, the viewer. So if you'd like to help out with that, there's more information about Patreon in the description down below, or you can click the little join button here and become a member here on YouTube. So thank you. Without members and patrons, we wouldn't be here. On that note, I think I'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. When you find it's chili powder outside and you'd like it to be a little bit more hot paprika, then you can rustle up a little bit of thyme and make yourself a spice rack.